Hello and welcome to today's tutorial. Today I'm going to demonstrate how you can find out the ratio of full length JP and free JP plus full length JP using the ImageJ software. To find out the ratio, at first we have to open the image using the ImageJ software, and you have to open the main sheet of the ImageJ software. After opening the membrane's photography, you have to choose the area of the marker loading. That means the marker loading area should be circulated, and you have to find out the exact ratio for the marker loading area. To find out the exact ratio of marker loading area, go to the ImageG software, click on edit, choose selection, and go to the specify. Then you will find out the exact marker loading area, the selected areas ratio. That means the height, x and y coordinate. Remember these values and go to the membrane. Now select any area, any blank area, and again go to the edit, choose selection, and choose specify. Now apply the white height for the marker loading area that you have previously remembered. And for in our case, the marker loading areas wide was 72, the height was 576, x coordinate was 39, and the y coordinate was 211. So now we have got our marker loading area. Now press M on your computer. After pressing M, you will find out these results. In this result, you have got the area, the mean value, integrated density, and raw integrated density. If your images software do not gives you the integrated and raw integrated density, then you have to analyze and go to the analyze and if your images software do not gives you the integrated density or integrated density, then you have to go to the analyze, and then you have to choose the set measurements, and from the set measurements you have to tick on the integrated density. Okay, click on the integrated density and ensure that the area, minimum and maximum gray value, and integrated density and mean gray value is tick mark. Now click on OK, and you will find the integrated and raw integrated density values. After getting the raw integrated density for the blank area, copy the value and paste in the Excel sheet. Okay, we have got, this is the area and this is our integrated density value, and our formula is integrated density minus integrated density of blank divided by area of blank multiplied by area. For the blank, the integrated density will be the integrated density of blank, this one, minus the integrated density of blank divided by area of blank. That means the ID of blank divided by area of blank, and this value will be multiplied by the area of blank. For the blank, we can calculate this value and ultimately it becomes 0. How it becomes 0? Let's see. The integrated density of blank divided by area of blank is actually the mean. That means this is the integrated density of blank divided by the area of blank, and this is actually the mean value. This is the mean value, and this mean value is multiplied by the area of blank, and this is the area of blank. Multiplication of mean value with the blank will give you the ultimately the integrated density. That means this value is multiplied by the area, and you see multiplication of this ratio with area gives actually the integrated density. So if we subtract the integrated density from this value, it becomes 0. That means subtracting this value from the integrated density ultimately gives 0. So in case of blank, this should always be 0. The raw value should always be 0. Now, in case of full length at free GFP, this value will not be 0. It will give a definite ratio. So the raw value will have definite ratio. So in case of full length and free GFP, for any kind of strength, the mean value should be taken from the blank. The mean value should be taken from the blank. And in case of and we have calculated our mean value by dividing the integrated density of blank with the area of the blank. So integrated density of blank and area of blank is fixed. Integrated density of blank and area of blank is fixed. So you can see that the integrated density of blank is F21. Integrated density of blank is F. This is the F and it is 21. So this is F21. F21 is fixed. So F21 divided by area of blank. Area of blank is E21. So if we take a look for the full length of the top for the strength of By, you can see that the F21 and E21, F21 divided by E21 is fixed. It is fixed. It has been fixed by applying the dollar sign. So you have to apply the dollar sign before and after the integrated density. So the integrated density F, the column F, and the value of F has been fixed. F21 divided by E21 is fixed for each and every strain. Each and every strain, the F21 and E21 is fixed. Okay. And the multiplication with area. The area will be the area for the individual strength. For full length full length or free GFP, the area of free GFP and the full length GFP will be multiplied with the fixed value of the mean value. That means the mean value of the blank. So the mean value of blank is multiplied with the area of free GFP and the full length GFP. Area of full length GFP and free GFP. Why we are saying the area is multiplied with full length and free GFP? Because the ratio of integrated density of blank divided by area of blank is actually the mean value. So the mean value is multiplied with the area of full length and free GFP. After multiplication, it is subtracted from the integrated density of free GFP or full length GFP. It is subtracted from the full length GFP or free GFP. So now let's have a take a look how does we will calculate the full length GFP for By. So again we are going to choose the full length GFP. This is the full length GFP area. This is the full length GFP area. Choose the area. Now press on M. After pressing M, you will find another new ratio. So pressing M, let me show you. After choosing the area, just press the M, and this will give you new area for the newly chosen selected full length GFP. Now copy this value in the Excel sheet. Now we're copying this value in the Excel sheet, and this is the area. This is the area. Remember this. This is the area. This is the area, and this is the integrated density. So this is the area, and this is the integrated density for the full length GFP. So basically, we are going to multiply the mean value with the area. Multiply the mean value with the area. So multiply the mean value. Mean value that was this one. mean value with the mean value, or you can choose the mean value. Already we are going to multiply this one with the area of full length JP. This is the area of full length JP. And after multiplication, we are going to subtract this from the integrated density. This is the integrated density. So we are going to subtract this value from this result, and this is our result. So we have set the formula in here, and now if we copy this one, this is the area. So we are going to copy the area, paste here, and copy the integrated density. Sorry, we are going to copy and paste in here, and copy the integrated density and paste in here. Now you can see the value is exactly like this, 24,580.09. So this is the raw value for full length band. Okay, and the similar way we are going to find out the raw value for free JP. So again, let's go to the image and select the area. This is our area for the free JP. After choosing the area, you have to press the M and you will get the result. Copy the result, paste in the Excel sheet. As we have set our formula, now we are going to copy the area and paste in the area for free JP. Now copy the integrated density and paste in the integrated density area. So now we have got our ratio or raw value for the free JP and the full length JP. After getting the ratio for free JP and full length JP, now we can find out our intended ratio. That means free JP divided by full length JP plus free JP plus full length JP. So now if we apply this formula, we have to calculate the sum of free JP plus full length JP. So the sum of free JP, the raw value of free JP is this one. So we are going to sum the free JP plus full length JP. So this is the sum of free JP and full length JP. Okay. Now the ratio for only free JP. The only free JP is this one. Only free JP is this one. And now our ratio will be what? The ratio is free JP. That means the free JP divided by free JP plus full length JP. This is the free JP plus full length JP. So hit enter. Now we will find out the ratio 0.885114. And as we have set this formula in this row, so the ratio is automatically calculated. The ratio will be free JP. Free JP means G23 divided by free JP plus full length JP. Free JP is G23 and full length JP is G22. So the formula is G23 divided by G23 plus G22. The ratio is automatically calculated in here. In this way, you have to calculate all other strength, the free and full length JP for all other strength, and you have to find out the ratio. Okay. So let's move on to our protein image and let's choose the full length JP for another strength. Press M. This will give you another value, and choose the free JP. Again, press M. In a similar manner, choose the area for another strain, press M. The full length JP for another area, press M. So we have chosen this. We have got our values from 4 to 7. Copy all these things. Just paste. Now this area is for full length. For this strength, this integrated density is for this strength. As we have set our formula, it automatically gives us the result. And this is for free GFP. First copy and paste. This is the integrated density for this second strength, and this is the area for the final strength, and this is the integrated density for the final strength. Okay, and this is the last 3GFP for the last, and the integrated density for the last one. So we have got our ratio. 3 individual ratio has been found. Now this ratio can be calculated using the mean value. So we are going to apply another formula. The formula is free GFP minus blank divided by free GFP minus blank plus full length GFP minus blank. So free GFP indicates here the mean value, not the area. The free GFP indicates the mean value, and we will not use the integrated density mean value for each strand. We will use mean value for each strand, not the integrated density. For using this formula, we will not require the integrated density, and we will not require to choose the marker loading area. So we are going to delete all these values. Now we are going to choose an area for the full length JP. So suppose this is the area for full length JP. Okay. Now hit M and you will get the mean value for full length JP. Okay. Now copy this one, paste in the Excel sheet. So this is the mean value for full length JP. Copy this mean value and paste in the mean value for full length JP for the particular extent. So this is our mean value for full length JP. Now we are going to find out the mean value for blank. So just hold this one and place in anywhere in the membrane where there that contains no band, without any band. If choose any area in the membrane where there is no band, so the clear area of this membrane is like this one. So after placing the box, the selected selected area in a blank space on the membrane, just hit the M button and you will find a mean value. You can see that the area is same, but the mean value has changed. Now copy this one and paste in the Excel sheet. Now copy the mean value and for the blank and paste in the blank containing the space indicating the blank. So this is the mean value for the full length JP, and this is the mean value for the blank. And after getting the mean value from the full length JP and the blank, we are getting the raw value. Now the raw value is the mean value of full length minus the mean value of blank. That means the mean value of full length is this one. So the mean value of full length is this one minus the mean value of blank is this one, and this will give you the ratio raw value. This is the raw value. In the similar way, we are going to find out the raw value for the free GFP. To find out the raw value for free GFP, choose the area that contains free GFP. Okay. So this is the area containing free GFP. Hit the M, and you will get this value. Now place this area in the membrane without any protein band, and again hit the M button, and you will get the raw value, the mean value for the blank. So we have got the mean value for the free GFP and the blank. Now we are going to copy and paste this ratio. This is the mean value for free GFP, and this is the mean value for the blank, and we have got our raw value. So after getting the raw value, we are going to find out the ratio of free GFP divided by full length and free GFP ratio. So the raw value for free GFP is this one, and the full length GFP is this one. So the calculated value will be like this. The sum of free GFP, the sum of free GFP plus full length GFP is this one, and this value should be divided. The free GFP should be divided by this one. The free GFP is the raw value of free GFP is this one divided by full length plus free GFP, and this gives this ratio, and this is the ratio. So we have set our formula here. So now we are going to calculate this ratio for all other strains. Just go to the membrane and choose the areas. Hit the M button. Place the area in, then hit the M button. Choose the full length GFP. Hit the M button. Place the area in blank area and hit the M button. Choose the area for third one. Hit the M button. Choose the area and hit the M button. After hitting the M button, we have got our all our intended ratios. Copy this one, paste in the Excel sheet. Just copy the ratio, free GFP, the blank for the another species, full length, free GFP mean value, blank for free GFP, another extent, the I have made a mistake. So we have got our full length GFP and free GFP, but no blank value. Mistakenly, we have chosen the blank. This one will be the blank for the final one. This is the blank for this one. So we have got our free GFP ratio here, and the blank for the free GFP for the final strain. We have to find out the full length GFP. Full length GFP, hit M, blank full length GFP, hit M. Remember that the area can be chosen freely. You are free to choose the area. So I'm going to choose this one. And this is the block for this one. Now we have got our result. And now we can compare that this and this is with the indicated density, and this is with the mean value. Indicated density and mean value. And in this way, you can calculate the free GFP, full length GFP. And after getting these values, you can create a bar using this individual values. So this is the value for this one. We're going to create a bar diagram for this individual values. The bar diagram will have a outlook or visualization of the integration or the effectiveness of these methods. The bar diagram perhaps will show us the actual figure or correlation between these two methods. Since the two methods have different types of values, the height of the bar diagram might give us an insight. So let's insert, choose the bar diagram. So we have got bar diagram for this one, and also go to insert, choose bar diagram. We have got bar diagram for this one, and you can see the bar diagram is almost similar. The highest value for by, then the second position is SS2, and the third position is SS22. But the difference between the SS2 and 22 in this case is not so prominent, but in this case it is very prominent. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you have understood how to find out this one. Have a nice day. And you can apply the chart elements, that means error bar, standard deviation, standard error, and also error bar, percentage standard error. Okay. Another thing is that you have to normalize these values with PGK. In another video, I will show you how to normalize this data with PGK. So before that, that's so much for today. Hope you have understood how to calculate this one. Have a nice day. Bye bye.